Rita Vaz.
And I'm Ron Vaz from Tasty Spicy Delish.
And you're watching us on Femina, India.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
In a bowl, add 1 cup yogurt, 2 tablespoon tandoori masala, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 teaspoons salt, half teaspoon ajwain seeds crushed by hand, 1/4 cup sunflower oil. Mix all these ingredients together nicely. Now take 1.5 kgs of de-skinned, bone-in chicken drumsticks and thighs. Slit them for better marination. Place them in the bowl of the prepared marinade. Mix well to ensure the chicken is thoroughly covered in the marinade. Cover the bowl with cling film and place it in the fridge for a minimum of 1 hour. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the chicken from the fridge. Place them on a wire rack. Place the rack on a baking tray to contain the dripping marinade. Cook the chicken on the middle rack for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the chicken from the oven and flip the chicken over. Baste the chicken with the remaining marinade. Place the chicken back in the oven and cook for another 15 minutes. Then place the chicken on the topmost rack and broil for 1 minute on each side. Remove and serve the tasty spicy delish tandoori chicken with mint chutney and mixed salad.